Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to week 7 of Bella's Richmond. Wait till you see what they did to the inside. It's truly amazing. Want to give a few shout outs. Coming soon, the coming soon sign just came up. Once again, it's Friday, June 27th is our opening day. ML Bell Construction, for all you entrepreneurs out there that need some commercial construction, this is the man. I mean, I really can't brag enough about him. Michael Bell, compared to who we used in Charlottesville, is night and day. It's this big. We are still 1 week ahead of schedule, just a little bit above budget. That's because we had some things that the architects forgot. But otherwise, this has been the smoothest project I have ever done. What we'd like for you to do is look at this. This is our new logo we're going to put on both doors. And then also, when you walk into Bella's, you're going to see a big 4-foot Bella's like this on glass. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Now, we are hiring people in Richmond, because I'm going to send this out to you all. 18 to 35 or even older. Professional, full-time, great staff, front of the house, back of the house, but only full-time people, please. Because we give medical, dental, eye insurance, 1 week paid vacation, and a gym membership at Bella's Restaurant. This is a real professional job, so we want real professional people, okay? And we pay very well. That's why we have such a small turnover rate. Now, I want to bring you on inside here. And there's our man Michael Bell, who's looking at the papers. But look at this. Look at the colors that we have here. This is only the first coat. We have all the painting done. When we bring you into the bathrooms are absolutely gorgeous. Mike, how are you doing?
Good to see you again.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. So tell us how far you progressed this last week.
Yeah, we're in good shape. You can see we got some color on the walls, got some life into this place. So really we're into the finishing stage, which is the fun stage of the project, because you really start to see your vision come to reality. We got the first coat on the walls, as you mentioned, first coat on the power wall down
and
here.
And you told me something that was interesting that I didn't know. You put a first coat, and then that takes out the blemishes. It brings them out, and then you got to go back.
Yeah, what you do, a typical homeowner or someone will prime their walls with white, okay? We prime our walls in color so that you can see the blemishes that show through. And then we go back and it's called point up, so we touch up those blemishes, in which case we touch them up with white drywall mud, so you can see where you need to spot prime and redo it. It takes a better finish and a better product at the end.
So how do you like the two differentiations of colors?
I love it. I think both the terracotta and the cream really bring out that old school Italian theme. Next week when you're here, we'll have the brick on these outside walls here. And that's going to really be exciting. That'll give that old school feel.
So we'll have the brick up by next week, and are you doing the ceiling drop in?
By next week, and it'll be about next Tuesday. Our sequence is really get the brick on the walls, get the ceiling finished up so that we can drop that. We'll put the wood paneling on all the walls and start to build the bar, and then we'll bring our floor in at the end. The floor is kind of that finished product. You want to stay off it, you want that in last, that's really going to pop when we're done.
Did we ever talk about the copper part that we want to put up on here?
Yes, but basically what that'll have on it is the bar rail itself. Top of the bar is going to have a cap on it like this. That'll extend over either side. Then we'll have a 5-inch skirt on the bottom.
Okay.
So it'll be trimmed out just like your paneling here.
Very nice.
And then eventually we talked about putting a brass rail or an antique rail on the top to avoid people setting drinks, spilling drinks.
Because
preventative maintenance.
What we have over here is we have the bar, and you can imagine a couple people putting their drinks here, and we have people having dinner and they spill it, and that wouldn't go over well.
So lessons learned.
Hey, come on in the back. So the kitchen flooring is all done.
Yep. The kitchen's in great shape. We have it's called FRP on the walls, and this is a protective surfaces in here. Very cleanable. Nice product here. All up to health department standards. We did a black in this public area that you can see. Switched over to the white in the back, which would be nice and bright and open. Since we were here last, we got all the tile floors in.
Very nice.
So that'd be great. This is a quarry tile. It's also a non-slip tile. As you know, kitchens get wet and greasy and those type of things. This area in the back here, which looks a little unfinished, is where a walk-in cooler freezer is going. So that'll be installed on Thursday.
That'll take this whole wall.
Take this whole area with about 80% refrigerated refrigeration, and about 20% freezer. Allow you to keep all your products fresh in here, get your deliveries in. And that takes up this area in here. And
Very
then
nice.
on the backside, obviously flow-wise, you have your manager's office, which you won't be spending a lot of time out on the floor with your customers.
No, we don't. No, we don't. All right. Well, thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Great
We'll look
job.
forward to it
That's
next
week. That's week 7, and come on back and see us on week 8. Once again, apply for the job online, bellas-restaurant.com, and we're doing interviews on Tuesday. We'll see you.